What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I feel like my intro is so like, hey love bugs, and sometimes people get turned off by the whole YouTuber voice, but I don't really know what to say. Help me out, DM me some ideas of some fun cute intros. I like the love bug thing, but I don't want to sound too YouTubey anymore. I want to just be myself. So today we're going to be slaying a lace wig from start to finish. This one does come courtesy of XrsBeauty. This is their packaging here. It came with a beautiful brown bow on the front of it, but of course we have the wig on, so I've already gotten rid of that. Inside the package was a ton of goodies as well. Half of them are spread all around. I'll show you guys all the goodies at the end of the video, but again, I wanted you guys to see the assignment, what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be slaying from start to finish. And you know, on this channel I want to make everything on my tutorials beginner friendly. If you are someone who is new to wigs or just never really got into it, I want to make sure that you can follow along and execute at home. Great thing about YouTube is that you can go ahead and like this video, you can save it, favorite it, so that way like as you practice and practice and practice, you can pause, rewind, watch it a million times until you get it. Now this is a popular style on Instagram at the moment, the French braids going back or to the side with the rest of the hair going in a different way. I think it came out amazing, and guess what, we did nothing but install and braid it up. We didn't have to pluck, tweeze, we didn't have to bleach no knots, we didn't have to tint the lace. Literally this is going to be a finesse from start to finish for all of us here who don't have the experience to tweeze and pluck and all of that. So without talking your heads off, so go ahead if you're interested in getting this look and achieving it from home. If you're interested, keep on watching. My kids are finally getting the hang of it. Mommy is on a work spree. I'm gonna be working every day for the rest of their lives, maybe the rest of my life. So this is the beauty here. I wanted to show you guys the inside construction of the cap first. If I'm watching a hair tutorial and I decide I want to buy the product, I want to see the inside of the wig, because that makes a big difference. Because you see it said as the center part, I want to know really how much parting space I got. I want to know if the knots are bleached, all of that. So this one, the knots are bleached, and you can tell because it has that fuzzy look on the lace. You don't see knots, you see kind of like that where the bleach was, which is awesome because you guys know we're not bleaching the knots if they weren't. The hairline appears to be pre-plucked as well. Really, really pretty. And again, we're going for a straight, long, luscious beauty. Let me go ahead and remove this one. I went ahead and installed this one yesterday, so this video should be up before this one. So if you want detail on this one, it's the video before this one. So you guys see, if I really wanted to stay, it's not going anywhere. I've showered, I've slept, I only put a bonnet on. The sideburns did lift. I'm just gonna take a spray bottle with water in it, a rag. You guys know I always have to have a rag on hand, and all you have to do is wet it down a little bit. And literally it lifts just that easy. And then because we're taking off a wig, you can take water, alcohol, or sea breeze. Actually, so I keep spray or alcohol in a spray bottle, but I like to keep it with my makeup and or my hair products just to remove any craziness. And I like to just clean that area because I'm going to be reapplying the glue, and I want to make sure I get rid of any dirt, any old residue, any oils and bacteria and whatever the hell else is on there. Look how well this one is pre-plucked. I think we hit a lick with this one, y'all. This one is going to be super simple and easy. Also, it did come with the hooks already sewn in, and it came with the adjustable elastic band. So if you wanted to fit even more snug and more glueless, you can use that. If you're not going to pluck, you're not going to tweeze, you guys already know I'm going to teach you how to finesse when you don't want to do those things and you need to. But it's even a bigger, better bonus when you don't have to finesse. The wig already comes ready to go. You see that pluck work? I mean, you pluck more than this, you're gonna go bald. This is absolutely perfect. This is literally like Arrogant Tay, Tokyo Styles, your favorite Instagram stylist that went ahead and put their magic touch on this and sent it to you personally. And again, this lace is so beautiful. It's bleached. It's everything that you really want in a beginner friendly wig so that you don't have to finesse. Not quite sure what we're gonna do, but let's go ahead and cut off the lace, bond her down, work on the baby hair, and then we'll decide which style you want to do. Install is done. I am going to be doing some baby hair with this one. I think it would be like really pretty with no baby hair and just get some forehead realness, but I want a little bit of baby hair. Let's try and do some baby hair with the flat iron because that's the popular baby hair to do. I'm going to try to use the mini flat iron. I've been forgetting to use this lately, and I like to use this paired with a hairspray. Both are linked in the description box. Okay, so I feel like I've been doing my baby hair forever. I feel like I was curling it with the mini curling iron and it wasn't curling as tight because you gotta go close up. And of course I'm scared of that. But I'm kind of just taking the hairspray and the baby hair brush. And I hate doing this to my brushes because it makes the bristles lock up. But I'm just like training it to go how I want it to go. And it's kind of giving what it's supposed to give. I kind of like how messy this looks, but I want to clean it up a little bit, maybe cut them a little bit shorter. So I'm going to take a pause on this and focus on the length of the hair and then come back after. So let's clean up the parting in the hairline in itself. And then we're going to silk press it out and see if we're going to be done styling it or should we braid it. Okay, baby boos, so I went ahead and slayed this one. It took me a lot longer, I feel like, than normal, but that is the point. Like, I want to spend a little bit more time giving you styles opposed to like, oh, I'm just gonna send a part straight, you know what I mean? I've been doing a lot of curls, but I also want to get into doing like popular Instagram styles. So I feel like every week a new Instagram girl, you know, does a hairstyle, whether it's something that we've seen before and it's just redone, or whatever the case may be. But there's a million hairstyles in this world. Why not try to execute as many as I can on this channel, right? You guys have seen me work with this company before, and you guys know they love it when I share with you guys the difference between this lace and other lace. So they did send me 2 strips. This is the new clear lace, and this is what we are wearing today. When you put it to my forehead, it melts in beautifully. The only reason you know it's there is because of the little sticky up top, but you guys see how well that melts and blends with no effort. And then this is the regular transparent lace, and you guys see it's a dead giveaway. You got to do a work and finesse to make this blend. This does not melt, no melt. We're going through terrible twos in my house. Forgot what my train of thought was, but basically I wanted you guys to understand the difference between the two. If you have it in your budget, if you run across a wig that is already plucked, the knot's already bleached, the lace already matches your complexion, there's no tint needed, the finesse literally goes from like having to do this much to make it look amazing to like literally just bond it down and go. This is an ideal way to go. We want to finesse, but if we come across something that we don't have to finesse, that's ideal. And show you guys now which one blends. This one here obviously sits, it doesn't melt as well. You guys see I put the same amount of product on both, and this one is still gonna stick up and give me problems. This one I put the product on and it adheres, it attaches, it sees the assignment and it executes it well, blends with my complexion. This one, it's always gonna give me problems. It's always gonna lift. It's never gonna stick. We're not gonna act like we don't mess with transparent lace. We're not gonna act like we're anti, but we are gonna make it clear that the proof is in the pudding. This one here just doesn't want to lay down. It doesn't want to melt into my skin. This one understood the assignment and it executed it amazingly. Clear lace, transparent lace. Clear lace, transparent lace. Clear lace, transparent lace. It just doesn't stick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, it's not XRS, it's XrsBeauty. Like you would say crisscross, it's XrsBeauty is the name of this company. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, they did load me up with tons of goodies. I did not wear these today, but a lot of times when I film, I will use these. I have a couple packs of these from this company, and they are just like a 5-pack, I think, of lashes. 6-pack. As I mentioned, there is the hooks already inside this wig to add an adjustable elastic band, and here is the elastic band that you would add to it. Purple shower comb. My mommy's favorite color was purple, so that makes me excited. A new baby hairbrush. Brown wig caps. They understood the assignment. Brown girls need brown wig caps. 2 clips, essential for my installs, and then they gave a pack of flexi rods. All in all, I do hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video. It was a little bit different for me because I haven't done, I feel like, cornrows in a while on this channel, stuff like that with you guys. I'm talking so much because my husband just got home with some boiling crab and I'm ready to eat my 2 pounds of little crab with rice, potatoes, corn. It's gonna go down. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.